you so much for tuning in. Today's video is another Dollar Tree haul with Ari. Say hi. No? Why not? Why not? So today's video is another video with Aria, who's being a little bit shy today, but that's okay. She's only gonna be here for the intro. I just wanted you guys to say hello, and she is too into her new bracelet. Anyway, today's video is a mix of fall. What's this? Yeah. It's a mix of fall, summer, farmhouse. It's a little bit of everything, so I'm super duper excited to show you the new finds. Right, Aria? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Say bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. So the first item that I wanted to show you guys was this beautiful blessed mug. And the reason that I love this mug so much is because it's one of the only mugs at Dollar Tree that actually has the print on both sides. So depending on if you're right-handed or left-handed, or if you want the print facing you or outward, it doesn't matter because it is on both sides. The only thing that I can say about the Dollar Tree mugs is before you put them in your cart, make sure that everything is spelled correctly, because you're always checking the spelling on these, make sure that there's no cracks or anything like that. Not that that's Dollar Tree's fault. There's plenty of people that just pick them up and are a little too rough with them. So always inspect any glassware, but look how beautiful this print is. In the back to school section, I found this bulletin board, and I haven't seen these in a really long time. I've been seeing them in really funky colors, which is really nice, but I really like the classic brown. I love the cork look, so when I started adding green and orange and all that, that's really cool if you're in high school, but for me, I really like this. I kind of wish I would have found this before making my other command center. If you haven't seen those videos, I will link them below, but I basically made a command center using the dry erase boards, and I made another one back in April using their chalkboards and the Jenga pieces. Both I use on a daily. Mine is actually right above me right now. But anyway, these come in super handy, and they're a little bigger than the sizes that they used to carry before. So even though Dollar Tree is fully stocked with fall stuff, they are pushing a lot of the summer things that they have left to the front so that you can purchase them and they can get them out of the way. So I did go ahead and purchase these flip-flops. I think they're so cute, but they are really rough on your feet if you have sensitive feet. In other words, this is something that you would wear to get out of bed or to lounge around your house. I wouldn't recommend this for long time use. I remember years ago, I bought a pair of these in black. I was going to the Bahamas and I actually wore these walking around, and I have super sensitive feet. So I actually had to stop and buy flip-flops somewhere because I actually developed blisters. This little area right here, it doesn't feel rough to the touch, but trust me, if you have sensitive feet, you do not want to be walking long-term with these. Not to mention, they're a little bit on the slippery side, so these are more for house use. Just letting you guys know, I didn't have the best experience, but I do have carpet here, and I will be using them when I'm upstairs. I finally found the Rust-Oleum Never Wet. This is a two-part system that's supposed to repel water. It's really good for using outdoors and stuff. I haven't read completely. Oh, you can use them on canvases. I had somebody comment, if my welcome sign, how would it survive the rain? So I'm kind of really tempted to spray this on the welcome sign to see if it will just repel the water. But if that is the case, then there's so many crafts that you can kind of like waterproof doing this, at least the outdoor ones, of course. So this was a really cool buy. I haven't checked how much they are at Home Depot and stuff. I know this is still sold in stores, but it was really cool to see at Dollar Tree. I got extremely lucky and found two of these, and these are supposed to be spring items. So I kind of went to the cashier and asked if they had more, and she was pretty honest with me and they were just trying to get rid of them. So I picked up the last two, but I love the size of these. And even though these are meant for like plants and stuff like that, since Christmas is kind of around the corner, these can be used as ornaments. Also, you can use the Christmas ornaments as terrariums because they do sell really large ones. They're just a little on the flimsy side. Excuse me, a little on the flimsy side. These are really tough. They can handle weight, and these are the exact same ones that they have at Michael's pretty much. So if you can't find these, definitely get the clear ornaments from Dollar Tree, but these are far better. I can never buy enough kitchen towels. I think in every haul I've shown some kitchen towels.
Stop it. Get some help.
but they have been putting out the cutest patterns, and these happen to be very, for me, I think they look very farmhouse, just like the checkered ones that I showed a few weeks back. I love them. They're a really, really nice material. And I think I'm going to use these in a craft. I know it's a little early for me to be doing fall crafts, especially since I've been saying that I'm dreading that all stores are filling up with fall stuff. But you know what? If you can't beat them, join them. And we are already in August, so I think I have a fall craft coming up with these. Speaking of items that are going to disappear after summer, I picked up these teal colored tongs. I think they're so cute. These usually come out summer, spring. So I picked up 2 just because I really like the color, and I use these all the time in my kitchen, not just for barbecuing. They're a really, really good quality, and I love that you can just pull on this right here and it closes them up. I've owned a few that don't do that, so they take up too much room in my drawer. So I love these. I was so happy to find this Willow Wreath. I've purchased wreaths from them before, and it's been like that dark brown one, and those are really cute too, but they are all over the place. Some even come apart. So this one is nice and sturdy, and it's a really nice size. My Dollar Tree only had them in this size. Please let me know if they have them smaller or bigger, because I would love these in a smaller size. Also, because of the color, I think they would look so, so good with some of the fall flowers that are out right now. Speaking of which, I found the cotton stems. These things are super cool. They are a really nice size. They bring a ton. So just to have them in a vase or to actually build a wreath with this would be really cool. And the fact that they're so long and they bring so many just kind of makes it worth your while, because you can easily just like wrap this around a wreath and it covers the whole thing with just these 3. So this is a really, really good buy. I kind of wish I would have gone to Michael's to see how much theirs are before I did this video. If you guys know, comment below. And in addition to those, I found these little pumpkin fillers. These are so cute, and each bring 3 little mini pumpkins. How adorable is this? And like I said, if you're building a wreath, right now, I think that just with like a few, you can probably build a pretty full wreath with like $5. And at Dollar Tree, even though things are $1, usually they're a little like skimpy on what they add on their floral section, but this is a really nice size. So these 2, I have 6 mini pumpkins. I haven't found any of the regular pumpkins yet, but a wreath with the mini ones and this one would be super duper cute. Up more of the roses. If you haven't already seen the videos, I've used this exact rose in so many DIYs, and they only come out once in a while. So whenever I see them, I do purchase them because I really, really, really love them. They have the yellow at the bottom, and you can see it kind of peek through, and then that deep kind of like an orangey or a rose color. I think it's beautiful. So I had to purchase more, of course, because it's one of my favorites, and maybe I'll make these into a bouquet. I also really love the mini mums, the chrysanthemums, and they have these in yellow as well and like a beige color, but this was my favorite color. I love this deep like orangey. I don't know, what would you describe this? I kind of think this is like a, I wouldn't say burnt orange. I don't know, but I love them. And I think they're really stepping up their game when it comes to making things look a little bit more realistic right now. So I found another farmhouse sign, and this one is so, so cute because it actually looks like wood. Of course, you would have to take the glass off so that it looks like wood, but it says market fresh produce sowed daily. And I just think this is so, so cute. Their signs look so authentic. Before, back in the day, whenever they had wall art, everything looked super wonky and cheap, but now they are really stepping it up. So even though I don't have them up everywhere, my kitchen is open concept, so there's really no walls to put them up in, but I'm pretty sure my next house will have walls, so I have to purchase this because I love farmhouse looking kitchens. Very farmhouse and very industrial looking kitchens. And I purchased this I am thankful for sign. These I know go quick. Last year, these came out at the beginning of fall and disappeared, and there were people in those Facebook groups that were seriously on the hunt for these. So I had to purchase them now. Like I said, I'm really not overdoing the fall purchases right now, but I know that there's certain things that are gonna go quick, like the little glass pumpkins and these. So as soon as I can find the glass pumpkins, I will be getting that too. But look how cute this is. I do wish it was a little harder, if that makes any sense, because I would love to be able to put this outside. But this is just cardboard painted with chalk paint. They do have ones that are tin. That's what I meant by harder. I wish this was the tin one so that I can put it outside. But this is okay. This little area right here is made out of aluminum, so I kind of wish the whole thing was. It's okay. It's still super adorable. It's not reflective, so if you're going to take a picture, use this for a picture prop, this is absolutely perfect. I love these storage bins. I especially love that they have handles, and I have a craft coming up with this as well. So be on the lookout for that. Please turn on that notification so you know every time I post a craft. But I absolutely love them. The size is really nice. I do wish it was a little bigger, honestly, but that's okay. This is perfect for your bathroom. This is perfect for housing any of your knitting stuff or just throw blankets. So the star of the show are these Sequins Pillows. They are so cute, and I'm actually surprised they didn't come out sooner because they've been doing so many sequins things, from phone cases to makeup cases. They've been doing so many things, so when I saw this I was really happy. They are small, but that's okay. For me, I'm going to be using these in my daughter's playroom. She thought they were so cute and kept hugging them. And the best thing about this one's my favorite, is that it looks like a normal pillow. Of course you can see the sequins because it's white and it matches the back, but then once you flip it, it's that beautiful gold. The other ones kind of match, like they're silver. This one's silver as well. So I really like that this one's gold. It stands out, it pops. You can write little messages on them. I just think they're so cute. So that's it for this week's haul. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you'll be on the lookout for. And again, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I am so grateful that every week you guys tune in to my channel, watch my videos, show me so much love, and I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Anyway, I will see you all next video. Stay awesome, and till next time.
Bye.
Bye.